compulsory you can apply the complement for that also. Okay na. So how to apply the complement for that means, just remember the point. The plus complement is nothing but dot, the result will be dot, and dot complement is equals to plus, like this. 0 complement is equals to 1 and 1 complement is equals to 0. In the like this way we can applied for operation. Plus dot, plus complement is equals to dot, and dot complement is equals to plus. So here plus complement is nothing but, I can rewrite this equation, a complement. So plus complement is nothing but, what is that? Dot. So this is the result. So a plus b whole complement is equals to a complement into b complement. This is the first rule. And find it the same second rule also, a into b whole complement. That means we can apply each and every variable for that complement. So for dot complement and b complement, no need to write like this. I can explain for you like this way. Okay na. So a complement and the dot complement is nothing but that is plus. Directly you can write it. So a complement and plus is converted, dot is converted to like plus. Okay, directly you can write it, a complement plus b complement. Okay, so this is the De Morgan's rule. So completely we are having totally 7 rules in that. Okay, so we have completed all the rules of Boolean algebra. So in that we can call it as, some of the rules we can call it as the postulates, and some of the rules we can call it as the theorems. Okay, so what are the postulates we are having means here, x plus 0 equals to x, that means and rule, and x, a plus 0 equals to a, and a plus 1, a into 0 is equals to 0, like this and rule and or rule we can call it as the postulates of this Boolean algebra. Okay, and this laws, whatever the laws we are having, distributive law and complement rule and associative law, commutative law, De Morgan's law, these are all we can call it as the we can call it as theorems. Okay, actually Boolean algebra consists of the 6 theorems and 4 postulates. Okay, 6 theorems and 4 postulates. Postulates is nothing but, we are calling the rules, whatever the rules we are having in that listed in Boolean algebra. So that all rules we are call it as the postulates here. So the theorem and postulates are listed, or the most basic relationships in Boolean algebra. Okay, these theorems like the postulates are listed in the pairs, that is nothing but it is having 2 rules. Okay, so each relation is the deal of the one pair with it. Okay now, each rule is deal with the one pair of with another. That means this is and operation and it is related to the or operation, like that it is related to the every pair. Okay, so what are the theorems we are having, how many theorems we are having means totally 6 theorems. That theorem is nothing but, first one is here, what are the theorems we are having, like this, a plus 0, a plus a is equals to a plus a complement is equals to 1. These two are, we can call it as the or rules, right? That is the one theorem. Okay, that is the first theorem. And here x plus 1, a plus 0, I can write it here. What is the theorem 1? So theorem 1 we can explain like this, a plus a is equals to a, and so this is related to theorem 1. And what are the theorem 2, how many rules we are having in that theorem 2 means actually 2, that is nothing but a plus 1 is equals to 1 and b is equals to a into 0 is equals to 0. That means by using and rule and or rules, this is and rule and these two are related to the or rule. So totally these two are related to the theorems, 2 theorems. Okay, so how many we are having, totally 2 theorems. And while coming to the third theorem, so third theorem we can call it as the complement theorem, that is nothing but inversion rule. Okay, so what is the third theorem, that is complement, or we can call it as inversion also, complement rule or inversion rule. Okay, so this is the third rule. And while coming to fourth one, that is associative theorem. And the fifth one coming to the De Morgan's. Okay, and coming to the sixth one is absorption law. So no need to explain this. Okay, we don't have syllabus in that. We don't have the syllabus for this absorption law. Just remove this part. Okay, so next, no need to necessary to explain this absorption law. Okay na. So and next, totally we are discussing in that syllabus Boolean algebra, we have to discuss only 5 theorems. Okay, so and or rules, and another one is complement rule, associative rule, and De Morgan's rule. So what are the remaining rules we are having? Commutative law, associative law, right? So and distributive law, these are all we are calling as the postulates. Okay, so postulate 1 is distributive law, and postulate 2 we can call it as the commutative law, and postulate 3 we can call it as the associative law, and postulate 4 is nothing but that is duality. Okay, whatever the remaining laws we are having, that is related to the postulates. And another one is duality postulate, that is nothing but we simply interchanging R to and to R. What is the duality principle? We can change R to and to R, that is duality principle. Okay na? That means we can replace zeros by ones and ones by zeros, that is the duality principle. So totally these are the rules for Boolean algebra. Okay, totally we are having 6 theorems and 4 postulates. Just remember this basic explanation ma. So it's very important topic in Boolean algebra. If you want to simplify any logic expression, compulsory we need to use these rules. Okay, to reduce the equation or to simplify that any expression, compulsory we need all the rules. Okay, by using these rules we can simplify the any Boolean expression. Okay, thank you.